Hi, Gary here. You probably played Monopoly. You roll the dice and you land on a particular piece of real estate and you take your money and you buy it. And maybe you run out of money and then you leverage it and buy even more and hopefully you make it through and win, but you could go bankrupt or you can make a lot of money. And it's kind of funny money and it's fun to play with and so forth. Well, up until 2009, we really only had one kind of currency to deal with, and that was issued by governments as centralized currency, like the dollar. Now we have cryptocurrency, and that first one that was issued in 2009 was Bitcoin. Now, what's a cryptocurrency? Well, it's a digital asset medium of exchange. It's private. It's decentralized. There's secure transactions in a thing called blockchain. It can be controlled about the number of units that are created online for that particular cryptocurrency. And now there's hundreds of them available to work from. Well, what's the difference? Well, when we look at the US dollar as an example, that's governed, it's centralized by our government, in particular the Federal Reserve System, and it's controlled and remains fairly stable. Can get a little volatile over time, but not anywhere near what you see on cryptocurrencies. And of course, there's other governments who issue other currencies like, the British pound and the euro and so forth, and they tend to be fairly stable. So there's an allure with Bitcoin because it's private and it's decentralized. No big brother watching over us. I can tell you this, that particular currency is going up in value like a commodity over 100% in just a week's time and dropped over 50% in a week's time. So you can get really hurt or you can really make a lot of money because it looks like a precious metal and it's subject to the whims and changes of those who are trading that money for goods and services. So is it going to be here long term? We'll see. We don't know which one's going to make it. Will it become more stable? Not quite sure. Depends on how that medium develops over time. But at present, it's a pretty volatile way of going about and transacting business. And if you're holding Bitcoins, you can make or lose a lot of money in a very short period of time because of that high volatility level. So until next time, enjoy.